Well, hello YouTube. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Ozark Adventures and Reviews. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing. I've got a pair of new trail runners that I was looking to show off to you. But first, take a look at my Merrells. I think I wore those out completely. There's not any tread left on those things. I've got my money's worth out of those. But I'm super excited. I went down to our local outfitter, Pack Rat, and got me a new pair of Altras. The men's Lone Peak 4.5. I'm super excited to try these out. My daughter and I, we are going to start our adventure on the Ozark Highland Trail this weekend, and I needed a new pair of shoes, and so I've heard a lot of good reviews about these Altras, and I thought, what the heck, let's give them a try. So I went ahead and picked these up. I have tried them around in the store. Tomorrow and next couple of days I'm going to be breaking them in before I actually take them out on trail. But I'm really digging the wider toe box that these come with compared to my Merrells that didn't have near as much room in the toe box. So I'm looking forward to seeing how that's going to perform out on the trail for us. And as you can see, I've got my trail buddy here, Pearl. But well, I'll go ahead and do a review on these after I've worn them in, you know, for a good couple 30-60 miles to let you guys know how these work out. But thank you for tuning in, and if you like what you see, go ahead and like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode.